Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to open an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then, if you never used it before, select Continue and click on Browse at the bottom in the middle after selecting Got it. Finally, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!